You are not in a probate trial because you have a will. Now listen to this, because this is where the devil is tricky. Probate court is a court supervised legal process that occurs after death so as to ensure the proper handling of the estate of the deceased that has no will. That's a probate trial. But you'll be surprised, that is where the devil takes most believers to. You know why? Because they don't know they have a will. And he does whatever he wants with them. That is not the court you are supposed to be in. That is for non-believers or believers who do not know what they have with God. That court proceeding is a wrong one for a believer. But unfortunately, a lot of believers are in that court right now. Because, you know why? They have no knowledge of what was written. They have no knowledge whatsoever of what was written. They don't even know they have a will, that Jesus left them a will. They don't know what is captured in that will. So they are in where? In a probate court. Now, even if there is a problem with appropriating the inheritances that Jesus procured you, the court trial you are supposed to be in is called arbitration trust dispute. That is where people with will go to and say, no, I don't believe that my father gave you those 2 houses and left me with just a car. If you are supposed to appear before any court as a believer, that is the kind of court he should have taken you to. But a lot of believers not even here. You know where they are? They are in probate courts, in probate trial, because they have no knowledge. Arbitration trust dispute. The devil will be arguing, no, you are not supposed to have this. You say, no, it's in the will. But unfortunately, a lot of believers are not there. And some are there. They know they have a will, but they are not effective in prosecuting their own case. They are not. Because they know they have a will, but they don't know what is captured in that will. And the adversary, the devil, is not about to begin to give you tips and hints on what is in that will. Because he is in there to win, and you are there to win. So he will begin to play on your ignorance. And I hope you know, in the spirit realm, ignorance is not an excuse. Nobody excuses you because you don't know.